I'm going to show you how to play older versions of Minecraft. If this video helps you out, don't forget to subscribe. Playing old Minecraft versions is actually very simple. First, open the Minecraft launcher on your computer. Once the launcher is open, go to the top menu and click on Installations. Next, click on New Installation. A new page will open. Here, you can choose a name for the installation. In my case, I'll just leave it without a name. Now comes the most important part, choosing the Minecraft version you want to play. Click on the Version drop-down menu. From here, you can select any Minecraft version that has ever existed. You can even type the version number directly to find it faster. I always recommend choosing release versions because they're the most stable and reliable versions to play. Just type release and you'll see them right away. After selecting the version you want, click on it, then click the Install button in the bottom right corner. If you want the game to start automatically after installing, make sure the Launch After Install option is enabled. Once the installation is finished, go back to the main launcher screen. Whenever you want to play that older version, simply click on the version selector, choose the version you installed, and then click Play.